Supplementary list. Pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
As such, in view of discussions and findings made here and above, the contentions as put for the petitioner accepted. But however, the full relief claim that petition, the fact the issue also involves GST authorities have not been made party in instant proceedings, the same can be granted, but limited only directing the respondent bank to redeem the matter by taking corrective measures with regard to facilitation of filing GST returns payable by petitioner company from the year 2017 onwards as mandated by law. Effectively allowed, but yes.
Highly valid.
Any mention?
Item number 23.
Item
number 23, my lord. It may come after vacation, my lord.
You are on behalf of.
Whose other side?
Lord, I am for the petitioner.
What's the matter about?
Well, that regarding cooperative bank, Lord, whether the RBI guidelines would be applicable or not.
Today is a fixed matter.
Yes, fixed matter.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 427, Your Lordship.
What to do?
My opposite party, both, Lord, even Dr. Mozika has some personal difficulty today, Lord. I cannot, Lord. And my friend, Mr. Appearing for RBI, he is not well today, inform me.
Okay, then let them all recover in New Year. Yes, on the prayer of this council for respondent number here.
A madam, opposite madam.
For?
A madam. For 8, 9, 10, my lord.
8 and 10.
Respondent.
So the matter can adjourn to after winter vacations. Yes.
Well, the interim order needs to be continued.
Interim order shall continue till further orders.
My deep acknowledgements.
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 20, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may be taken up after vacation, Your Lordship.
All mentions go after vacations, huh? Yes. Where's the other side? Mr. and Miss MSR Kolni, 20.
20, Your Lordship.
State respondents, my lord. State respondents, my lord.
After vacation, yes. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship. Lordship, similar prayer for item number 18 as well, Your Lordship.
18.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who's the petitioner?
Sir Jai, Your Lordship.
You informed him?
I've informed him, Your Lordship.
Okay, 18 years.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I have no objection. Let it come after vacation.
I'm appearing for respondent number 4 to 6, Your Lordship.
Recording after vacation.
Well, item number 24. Mrs. Sangma was supposed to give us the copy of the sanction order. Now, District Council has sanctioned the money, my lord, of the gratuity. I find you have not supplied us till now, my lord.
After sanction, Lordship.
Let it come after vacation.
Can you dispose of today?
My lord, only I need to verify the sanction order, my lord. The amount they
Oh, you
have
brought it today.
They say they have.
I'm not aware, Lordship.
Where was the PT Samba?
So it's in another court, Lordship. Conducting,
Others, let it
Where
come
was
out
the
next
PT Samba? He'll have to wait for the 2 months to get his money then. The longer,
Let it come out next week. And let them supply me a copy. I will just cross check.
after 1 week, you supply copy, yes.
Okay, Lordship.
You heard that, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Otherwise, you won't be disposed. And if you give time 6 months to clear a gratuity amount, if the intervening holidays are being get after 8 months,
Lordship.
it works to your advantage only.
They should have supplied us. This matter has been
You're not
listed.
interested in getting the Tamil benefit.
I'm not aware, Lordship. I'm not aware, Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship.
Yes.
Let this matter must become after vacation, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Similar prayer for item number 16, Lordship.
No more strength through cases end of the year. Yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. I'd like to mention item number 21, Your Lordship. Lordship, the other side, the private respondent had filed one
We'll
miscase.
have some objection.
I have objection, Your Lordship.
Let it come up.
I'll just let it come after vacation, Your Lordship.
No,
I
let
need
it
to
come up.
respond.
Why?
I need to respond to that
Your Lordship, but
miscase.
Your Lordship, they've approached the court with a relief to perform prayers at the religious site at Rumui. And it has come to my knowledge on the 24th they have performed the prayers without any relief from the court, and they have even made publication before newspaper, regional newspaper online.
Regional newspaper?
Yes, Your Lordship.
No. What are you submitting? I can't get it. What do you say?
Your Lordship, I have filed a miscase to bring on record that the relief that they have already performed prayers and ceremonies at the religious site. However, in the writ petition, they have come before this court with a relief that the
Allowed
court should
them.
allow for performance.
But they're
of prayer.
performing now.
They are performing now. On the 24th, they have already performed.
Then there's no urgency. Let it come after vacation, sir.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Let me reply to this also.
Yes. Just after vacation, there's on the request of control petitioner. Yes.
Pleasure.
And moreover, Your Lordship, I have brought to the knowledge of the court regarding title suit number 15, 2018, instituted by the petitioner.
Let it come. We'll take
Let it
up.
come, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I'll
Your
reply accordingly.
Highly obliged.
This is Your Lordship. Lordship, I apologize for the phone first. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25 till 33 is a connected matter. I have already informed, sir.
We have no objection.
Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary list, item number 2.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I am aggrieved by the action of the respondent bank, my Lord, in freezing my account without any intimation whatsoever, my Lord. Purportedly on the basis of some case that appears to have been registered in Kerala. Now, my Lord, on the basis of some complaint in Kerala, my Lord.
In Kerala?
Yes. Now,
Why your account's been hacked?
not hacked, my Lord, it has been freezed under instruction from some Kerala police, my Lord, to the bank which is situated
No,
in
why?
Shillong.
What's the reason for freezing your account?
There is no reason given whatsoever, my Lord. In fact, I am not been informed also. More than a year has lapsed since the freezing, my Lord. There is no intimation to me, no notice, no summon, nothing, my Lord. And on top of it, my Lord, there has been a deduction from my account without really informing me of anything. We do not know what matters have been, I mean,
What kind of case? A cyber crime case?
perhaps it appears so, my Lord. We are not even privy to what nature of the case, my Lord. The only thing that we are aggrieved of is, my Lord, defreezing of my
You
account.
have recourse to the ombudsman.
My Lord, we have made a representation to the bank, my Lord. The bank is not responding favorably. So much so, my Lord.
What do you respond if you're a customer, it's
my
their
Lord,
duty.
no explanation given to me. No explanation given to me why it has been
No, but
freezed.
has there any criminal proceeding been drawn up against you?
No, my Lord. Nothing.
Why are frozen your accounts?
We do not know, my Lord. There's been correspondence from our end.
How is that
No
possible?
response, my Lord. No response whatsoever from their end.
How is that possible?
My Lord, that is the circumstances under which we have before your Lordship.
Just out of nowhere, your account is frozen.
Yes, but only on the basis they say that only on the basis of some telephonic instruction.
You see account be frozen and the bank won't
But
respond
they
to-
say, my Lord, only on the basis of some telephonic instruction from the Kerala police, my Lord, my
Have
account.
they shown anything, any case
No,
pending?
nothing, my Lord.
My lord, if that be the case, my lord, notice under 102 has to go, my lord.
That has nothing has come from their end, my Lord.
If that is the situation, my lord, then this Santo Varghese case of 2024 Supreme Court is very clear.
We lost a complaint with the Sardar police also. My Lord, Sardar police, after the intervention of Sardar police, my Lord, they gave us an explanation, very cryptic explanation, saying that, my Lord, there is some case in Kerala.
Where's the explanation? Let's see. Where's that? It's not possible that you'll be...
My Lord, may kindly have Annexure 5, page 30.
Yes?
Annexure 5, page 30, my Lord.
Are you sure you've been properly instructed?
Yes, my Lord. In fact, we have been doing rounds of the bank, my Lord, for the past 1 year. My Lord, nothing fruitful has come out. If there is any case at all, my Lord, in Kerala or whichever place, At least I should have been summoned, or a notice should have been given to me so that I can explain my stance.
See, however, once again, wish to inform your accounts under for fraud.
They say so, my lord. I don't know on what basis.
3 complaints received in the Ministry of Home Affairs.
They say so, my lord. I do not know because, my lord, there's no notice, no summon whatsoever
Why
from.
should the account be picked out of, millions of accounts? Just you're here and whatever.
I don't know.
from
In
Kerala.
fact, my lord, that is off the record, my lord. I was told over the phone by some, my lord, I do not know whether it's Kerala police or not, but I was told that if you pay 50,000, we can close the case.
No, that's acceptable.
My lord, that is why, my lord, I'm only praying for a notice at the moment. Kerala police, my lord, we have made them a party. Let them come and explain their stance before the honorable court.
What is the employment? How is the petitioner employed?
Well, she is into some cryptocurrency, my lord, trading.
Oh, there's the key then.
No, my lord, every penny is accounted for, my
You said
lord.
in the petition that I'm into cryptocurrency.
Yes, I've said that.
Where is that?
My lord, may kindly have
Paragraph?
I'll just take your lordship to that paragraph.
Naturally, then there must be something.
My lord, may kindly have page 12, my lord, paragraph subparagraph 14.
Yes.
That in relation to the above complaint, the petitioner submits that she operates a Binance
What's
account.
A Binance account? And
Well, it is something, my lord, which is related to cryptocurrency, my lord. Account for trading with third parties, and every transaction made therein is accounted for and duly
you're in
recorded.
this business.
Yes.
Anyway, not that we are casting as questions, but I think that you're in this
Yes,
electronic for trading, the cash trading business. We'll issue notice. Let's see. Otherwise, you should file in Kerala then.
My lord, my account is here.
My lord,
Account can be anywhere. Your account can be offshore in Dubai. Also.
That gives me a cause of action to
But if the, yes, but
in a
anyway,
cybercrime, my lord, the first
it
requirement
has
of the
no. You know what cybercrime has no boundaries.
No, I quite follow, my lord.
That's why you have now. You call it. You know what they call it? Dynamic injunctions.
No,
Courts require dynamic injunction.
correct.
You have John Doe orders.
My lord, my only saying is, if there is any case as against me, my lord, at least the police can do is summon me.
There's
1 year has lapsed.
See, what has happened here is this is a process investigation. I think that's why.
Well, 1 year has already lapsed, my lord. I'm not even called.
Yes, Thapa, then comes the petitioner, issue notice. Mr.
1 and 2.
Gurung, present on behalf, responsible.
1 and 2.
No further notice required. Petitioner takes steps for issuance of notice to the remaining response within 3 days. Stop. Mr. S. Thapa submits that the writ petitioner has been compelled to come before this court by way of the instant application in view of the fact that account or accounts
Account, my lord. There is one account.
has been frozen without any justifiable reason. Stop. He submits that in spite of repeated requests for information, apart from the fact that there's some investigation being conducted by the respondent number.
Lord, the respondent number would be, my lord,
3.
Respondent number 8.
3, my lord.
Telangana or Kerala?
Telangana, my lord. Sorry, Telangana. There are 3 complaints.
By respondent number 3, no other information available. Stop. This also for instructions affidavit for service report on the other respondents.
Habla.
Item number 3.
My lord, this case, my lord, emanates from land acquisition proceedings, my lord, for the Shillong Western Bypass, my lord. here the petitioner, my lord, the
Western
petition,
bypass means?
Shillong Western bypass, my lord. The acquisition.
That is from Barapani side.
Yes, my lord, from Barapani side all the way to Bhoi, all this, my lord. So here, my lord, my mother was the original land owner, my lord, and her land, her rights were already confirmed by the CM, and lands were registered. And I am the Khadu, my lord, I am the youngest. So after the demise of my mother, the property devolves in my favor, my lord. So somewhere in the year, my lord, when the 2021 preliminary notification was issued for acquisition of the land, my lord, that is at page 35, my lord, preliminary notification.
Yes.
Then I filed a representation before the collector, my lord, because the alignment, my lord, as per the survey, the road was passing through the place where we perform family religious rituals, my lord. So we have requested the collector to realign the land, the project, the road, my lord. But that was not considered, my lord. Now thereafter, my lord, I came to know that there are two persons, my lord, the private respondents, who also claim the land to be their property, my lord. So
has a compensation been released?
Compensation has been paid to the other person.
So do you have a very detailed procedure laid out in this 2013
Yes, exactly, my lord.
And you have not taken recourse to that?
No, my lord. Yes. So what happened is, my lord, then I filed an application under section 64, my lord, before the collector, requesting the collector to please refer my matter to the authority. Do not release now, refer the matter to the authority. He did not act on this.
Where is that application?
That is application that is at 78, my lord, page 78. Annexure 24, my lord, has got a...
yes.
So, may I read to the collector, Riboi district, an application under section 64 of the Land Acquisition Act, reference so and so, so and so. Then, my lord, from...
Were you heard at any point of time?
My lord, except for saying that show your documents, I showed my documents. The others...
But there was a proceeding, you were called. Were you called?
The proceeding as such was not held, my lord. The hearing was fixed many times, my lord, and it was postponed again and again for reasons best known to them, my lord. I was there from morning to evening. I was always there. But what is more surprising is, my lord, when this notice came, when this preliminary notification came, the private respondent, my lord, applied for a patta on the land, my lord, which my mother owned, and I objected. When I objected, my entire family was excommunicated from the village. Now there is a big connivance between the Rangbashnong, the private owner, and the private respondents, who are not even the residents of Mairung Pedang. They are from Crete. So I objected. When I objected, my lord, I was even excommunicated. That excommunication order is at annexure 11, my lord, that is at annexure 11, page 42. My lord, let me just have a look at page 42.
Who are the persons who have claimed your land now, according to you?
My lord, the person who were claiming the land were this respondent number 5 and respondent number 6, my lord. And now respondent number 6, how his name came there, that is still something to...
When we excommunicated, this is...
Page 42, have a look at page...
Which respondent who's responsible for, according to you, usurping and dispossessing you?
This is respondent number 5, my lord.
Sulaibhar Kharpan.
Sulaibhar Kharpan, my lord. Kharpan, my lord. Kharpan. So, my lord, and then this excommunication, my lord, will see, is very surprisingly, my lord, this excommunication order, my lord, excommunication order, page 42, was even given a copy to the Omnium police station.
They said that because, yes.
So now, my lord, because of which, my lord, somebody wants trying to usurp my property without any legal basis, my lord, and trying to manufacture a document only when the preliminary notification came out. I objected. Entire Dorba Haven tried to excommunicate me from the village. That is, the CM has come to save me, call all the parties and said that order is bad. I filed an FIR,
What happened? The CM saved you?
Because I filed a complaint before the CM, with the CM and the Dorbar. So the CM and the Dorbar summoned all the parties. The CM and the Dorbar said that no.
No excommunication.
No excommunication, this is wrong. Yeah. So he set aside. So at least then after that I could enter my village, my house, my lord. Now, in spite of my request to the deputy commissioner, to the collector, please refer this matter to the authority. They did not act on. Today, as on today, it stands, my lord. The compensation has been paid to.
What is the amount?
My lord, the amount, my lord, I was.
How big is the land?
My lord, it's
it's your property. How big is it?
My lord, the land would be around. That's in acre, my lord. It's not a big amount, my lord. It's coming to less than 10 lakhs, my lord. Less than 10 lakhs.
Whatever it is, I mean, it's amount.
Yes, my lord. Yes. So, my lord, my humble prayer at this point of time, my lord.
Where has the order where compensation been released?
That order, my lord, that order we have not attached, my lord, because, my lord, we have filed applications, our applications. It was just getting delayed. Some of the we have met to at least three times round to the DC's office also, my lord. After excuse of yes, let the records be called, my lord.
This is your lordship. Lordship, the admitted fact is that the compensation has already been paid to the private respondent, your lordship. That is the admitted position, your lordship. Plus, your lordship, another aspect of the matter also, it appears from the instruction also that those people, your lordship, they have valid documents.
No, the thing is that, see, whatever it is, if a petition is filed under this Act 664, was it addressed or orders passed on it? At least after hearing to show that the veracity of the documents,
Lordship, I'll have to have instruction, your lordship, asked.
Because they've objected since. When was the compensation disbursed?
My lord, the compensation was disbursed, my lord, to my instruction, my lord, just one month back, my lord. 1 month, at the most 2 months back, my lord.
Lordship, to get, because it appears there is claim and counterclaim, your lordship.
Of course, there's claim. That is why if there's no claim counter, it will be
and the fact that the money had already been disbursed, your lordship, you'll have to file a suit for recovery, your lordship.
No, if it's still somewhere, we
Section 60.
Like been done to Mr. Thapa's client from the court.
Lordship, you will have to file a suit for recovery of that money, your lordship. If the land really belongs to him, your lordship.
Bars me the civil court, so I cannot file.
Heard Mr. P.O. when the council petitioner issued notice, Mr. N.D. Shulai with
124, your lordship.
Except on behalf of respondents 124, notice issued the private part to the private respondents within 3 days. The matter concerns disbursement land compensation over the land to which the petitioner submits to which the petitioner submits she is the legal owner. However, has also been submitted that a compensation has since been disbursed to respondents number
5 and 6, my lord.
5 and 6 at this stage. At this stage, let instruction be received from the state respondents as to the exact situation of the matter is.
Lordship, that they are notice also
Private respondents.
Yes, it will only be an issue.
My lord. Obliged, Your Worship.
Item number 4.
My lords, I appeal for the petitioners.
Yes.
Yeah. My lords, petitioners are aggrieved by my lords unilateral cancellation of the allotment letters issued by the respondent number 5. The impugned order, my lords, is at annexure N, page 165, my lords.
This matter regarding that was mentioned yesterday.
Yes, my lords. I was physically present on that day, my lords. It could not be taken.
165.
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
Order dated 8th November 2024.
Yes.
My lords, our allotment letters are already issued. Last date of admission being 5th of November, my lords. We were already admitted, started the course, my lords. Order on 8th November is passed, my lords, apparently based on some pressure, my lords, on the government. My lords, withdrawing our admissions. Despite all our admissions being precisely in terms of the consensual agreement and the notifications that have been issued and as approved by, my lords, the authority, respondent number 5, who was allotted our admissions. I'll just point out to your lordships the modalities of admissions that were notified.
How many seats are there? 64 seats?
13 seats, my lords. 13 petitioners, 13 seats. My lords, out of the Garo community, my lords, category, that is 26 seats that were notified.
Fourth paragraph, whereas management of PA Sangma International Medical College filled up the 13 seats meant for state quota purportedly through a decision taken in the council committee without the permission of state government. That means these seats are were vested with whom?
No, my lords, that was a factually incorrect statement. It is with the all seats are of the management itself, my lords. There is a consensual agreement that is entered into, my lords, based on terms and conditions where, my lords, 63 seats are made over to the state government to be filled up as per a particular procedure that has already been notified. As per that procedure, my lords, any seats that remain vacant as on the last date of admissions can be filled up from the management board. Please, my lords. My lords, if your lordships were to kindly see, it becomes clear here, if your lordships were to kindly see, my lords, annexure F, page 85. Annexure F, page 85, my lords. This is a notification dated 30th October 2024, notified 85. By the respondent number 3. 30th, my lords, page 85. 83, my apologies. Page 83.
Yes.
Notification issued by the very respondent, my lords, who has passed the impugned order. 30th October 2024, where, my lords, on 28th of October, a notification was issued calling for applications. Applications were received, eligibility was verified, and the list of merit candidates were announced by the authority. For a moment, if your lordships were to kindly see page 87. Page 87. Paragraph, my lords, in the bracket 3. Filling leftover seats.
Yes.
If any seats under the state government quota, NRI quota, are not filled till the mop-up round, then the seats will be automatically converted to management quota. The counselling for these seats shall be held by the same authority with the same merit as that of the need in the stray vacancy round. This is the procedure that has been notified. My lords, this notification also carried, my lords, with its the list of. My lords, I lost your lordships video.
Yes.
Your lordships are.
Yes.
Yes, my lords. Very next document, that is the annexures attached to this notification, are the list of merit candidates. My lords, I'll not point out to all the list. My lords may kindly see 106.
Okay, to cut it short, what you're submitting is that the state government been given 64 seats, correct?
Yes.
64 seats.
Yes, my lords.
And so if they can't fill up those seats, to reverse the management.
Yes.
And the management is free to do whatever they want with that.
No, my lords, that is through the counselling process itself.
Right. I mean, free to this to admit other students.
To admit it through.
Okay, fine. So now your case is that after the seats were not filled by the state quota, they were by management. These students have come forward. They've been admitted, and now it's been cancelled. That's your case.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords.
Right.
Just for a moment, if your lordships were to see these two documents, it becomes even more clear. 106, my lords, page 106.
Yes.
This is the list of students who applied for under the SC OST quota 3 seats were available, out of which only 2 students have registered, out of which only 1 student has turned up for counselling for admissions. And my lords, the other list I want to point out is regarding the Garo community list, my lords, that was notified, which is at 108. Out of the 26 seats, only 20 students registered for counselling. My apologies, no, it's not this list.
Yes.
Number of students who turned up for counselling, my lords, were less, and communications were issued by the institution, my lords, at Annexure H. My lords, may kindly see, my lords, Annexure H, the communications, my lords. After all the rounds of counselling, Annexure H, page 117.
Yes.
My lords, from the Khasi community, 2 students did not turn up. From the Garo community, my lords, at serial number 2, 3, 4, 6, will not, they have given in writing that they are not going to take admissions. Unregistered category, my lords, so and so, so and so. And they, permission was sought for, my lords, from the authority, the respondent state government. Another communication, your lordships will find it, Annexure H2. And, my lords, at Annexure H3. That is, my lords, just before the last date of admission, which is the 5th of November.
So how many seats altogether were left over?
13, my lords.
13, 11 from Garo seats and 2 from SC/OST.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords.
Okay.
Because the students were not available as on that date. As the last date, as on that date, my lords, was 5th of November for admissions.
Yes.
We were permitted by the counselling authority and the state government in terms of the notified procedure to fill up, my lords, seats. And we, as petitioners, were granted admission.
Okay. Yes.
My lords, impugned order is passed.
Now the thing is that have we started the classes or just
yes,
counselling?
Yes, we are continuing, my lords.
When were they admitted? When did they start? When did they commence? When did the session commence?
10th of November, my lords. 10th, my lords, immediately session started, my lords, after the last date of counselling. There was an opening ceremony conducted by the, my lords, college, my lords, where I have produced the photographs also, my lords, of the opening ceremony. After that, my lords, classes have commenced. We have been continuing even as of today, because, my lords, the impugned orders are not communicated to the students. Impugned order is not issued to the students.
Till now.
The allotment letters are, no, my lords, not communicated.
Then how do you get hold of it?
My lords, that is after my lords, after additional 13 students were allotted by the government and they came and joined the institution on 25th of November, is when we realized that our seats have been filled up.
And those other 13 newly admitted students have they been made parties here?
No, my lords, they have been added. They've been added subsequently, my lords, by the state government.
They made party in the state petition.
My lords, I'm not aware as to who those students are, my lords, because those are not communicated to me.
Yes, Mr. Amit Kumar.
Yes, Sir Lordship, kindly see the order which has been under challenge, page 178, page 178. This is the order which is under challenge. That is 9th November 2024, my lord. This is also the order. Kindly see what has happened exactly.
Yes.
Paragraph 1, my lord. I will place this letter, my lord. I am directed to state that competent authority has examined your request for withdrawal of order issued by Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, dated 8th November 2024, my lord. This is the first order which is under challenge.
Yes.
8th November, my lord. And what my friend is saying that they do not know that there is an order passed by the state government, so that is incorrect.
Where's 8th November order?
8th November, your lordship will find that is the first order which is under challenge, and that is at page 165. These are the 2 orders challenged before your lordship, 165 and 178. Kindly see 165 first, my lord.
Yes.
Whereas, as per the consensual agreement dated 29th October 2024, made between the Government of Meghalaya and P.A. Sangma International Medical College, the Government of Meghalaya was allocated 64 MBBS seats in medical college state quota. Kindly mark the word state quota. Whereas, per the state reservation policy, breakout 64 seats are as under, my lord, your lordship has seen. Whereas 11 seats in Garo, and 2 seats could not be filled during the stray vacancy round, whereas the management of PA Sangma filled up 13 seats meant for state quota, purportedly through decision taken in counseling committee without the permission of the state government and in contravention of consensual agreement. After careful examination of seat allocation, the government of Meghalaya Health Welfare is of the opinion seats need to be filled, allotted to eligible candidates of the state to benefit the local student. Now, therefore, government Meghalaya of Health hereby resigns the admissions made against the state quota with immediate effect and directs the management, PA Sangma Institute, to withdraw the admission of 13 candidates made against the state quota and to refund the fee to concerned students. Further, seats are to be allocated to eligible candidates as of the state as per list appended following the order of merit and the state reservation policy. Order takes immediate effect and concerned authorities at PA Sangma International Medical College are instructed to implement the relocation immediately. My lord, they know that, and then kindly come to page 178. 178. This is the second order which is under challenge before your lordship.
Okay.
After recording, my lord, the previous the order, my lord, previous order issued on this is on the 9th November, and kindly come to paragraph 6, my lord. 7.
Yes.
Upon consideration, now there was a representation which was disposed of, my lord. Upon consideration of your representation and records of admission, it has been found that you have made 13 admission in MBBS to 2024-25, contrary to the reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya, and have charged fee more than the fixed fee by state quota, which is contrary to very object of MU entered with you with the state government. Further, it has been found from the record that USTM, PIMC has not taken approval of competent authority of the state government before uploading the information admission made by in the MBBS session in 24-25 on NMC portal. In fact, when the irregularity was discovered by Department of Health and Family Welfare on 5/11/2024, the authorities of PIMC were informed not to upload the list on NMC portal, yet the same was uploaded in haste on 5/11/2024 itself by authorities of PIMC without approval of the state government, despite the fact that last date of uploading was 8/11/2024. The deliberate action and omission on the part of authorities of PIMC also breach of the agreement of PIMC. Therefore, the request made by you in your representation dated 8/11/2020 referred above is without any basis and contrary to the MOU and reservation policy applicable to state quota and fee fixed by which cannot be condoned. In the light of above, request made by you in your representation dated 8/11 referred above is rejected by the state government and you are directed to immediately comply with the order of the Health Department dated 8 November 2024. USTM is required to immediately cancel the admission made by you on 13 MBBS in session 2024 and refund the fee and other amount collected from those 13 MBBS students. Is required to immediately grant 13 eligible candidates in order of merit. This was communicated to the PIMC on 5th November. The college, it was also communicated to the college to refund the fees. Students, those who have taken admission pursuant to the illegalities committed by the medical college are before your lordship in the writ petition, my lord. And the students given by state have already been admitted by the college. They are continuing with the studies, my lord, in terms of our reservation policy, in terms of our state quota, my lord. So therefore, there is no illegality so far as the decisions of the state government are concerned, my lord, because there is a quota fixed for the state local students. That quota should not have been diverted to management quota, my lord, and government has implemented that policy. That is all I have to say, my lord. Therefore, as of now, my lord, the lordship may issue notice and we will file a detailed reply in the matter.
No, we'll take it up next week. Let the college be served.
Yes,
my lords. Until then, my lords, let us not be discharged from our course. We are continuing our course. Until then, my lords, may kindly grant me
now
that
one thing,
protection.
Mr. RK General, under the
Yes,
MCI regulations, or what do you call it now, can the seats suppose
National Medical Commission?
yes, 150 seats are given to particular institution. Can the seat numbers be increased?
My lords, under exceptional circumstances,
notice has to go to the NMC also for that purpose, my lord.
May I suggest this, my lords? My lords, we have, after all this controversy arose, my lords, we have had a detailed discussion with the government, my lords, the institution. The institution is of the opinion, my lords, they are willing to accommodate us as well as the government quota students for this academic year, and the equivalent number of seats, that is the 13 seats, they will let go for the next academic year to the state government itself. They have proposed that because this is a situation which has arisen despite the fact that, my lords, all procedures, in my respectful submission, the admission to these 13 petitioners is as per the terms of the consensual agreement also. Agreement as well as the notifications issued by the state government.
Let the college
allotment letters.
Yes,
My lords, may
take
kindly
down.
see the agreement.
Heard Mr. Yes, for the council with so-and-so on behalf of the local council. What's your name? Heard so-and-so with Ms. M. Manswin for the petitioners issue notice. The Advocate General is present on behalf of
3, 4, 5, Your Lordship.
3, 4, and 5. Where's Dr. Muzika?
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Yes, and MSK Gurung Vice, Dr. Muzika is present on behalf of respondent 1. Notice to issue to the other remaining respondents by tomorrow. Stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel of the petitioner that the writ petitioners for this court had been admitted into the MBBS course in the respondent number what college?
Respondent number 6 and 7. 7 college.
Number 7 college. But by the impugn orders, their admissions to this institution stands cancelled due to developments, certain developments which are connected to the allocation of seats and the admission of students by under state quota. Stop. At this stage, it is seen that the representation from the college is necessary to get a clearer picture as to the exact situation. Accordingly, the petitioners permitted to serve notice, a dusty notice on the respondents number 6 and 7. So this is the next paragraph. This is the matter. Today is the 6th. This is the matter on 11th December. Then the next status code will be maintained.
Apply.
Grateful. Grateful.
Let them appear. Let's see what they have to say.
Item number 5.
Grateful.
Lordship, the petitioner here is the full-fledged Sardar of Nampa Sardarship, Lordship. He has been appointed as a Sardar since the year 2011. He's appointed as a Sardar since the year 2011.
Yes.
And Lordship, since then he has been continuing without any complaints. Lordship, what has happened in the year 2023? He was suspended because there were some complaints against him. In the year 2003,
he's been serving
till that
complaints.
time, Lordship. Then 2003, he was served with a notification saying that he has been placed under suspension pending inquiry.
23.
In the year 2023. Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, that suspension.
What are the complaints about?
Annexure 4, Lordship. Annexure 4, page 31.
Page?
Page 31, Lordship.
31?
31.
31 is the notification.
Lordship, this is the notification.
No, what complaints?
Lordship, the complaints regarding the mismanagement in the office, Lordship.
Financial mismanagement or?
No, the mismanagement and no confidence among the
Okay.
So this is the notification which I've been served, Lordship, in the year 2023. I was placed under suspension. Aggrieved by this, we approached this Honorable Court, challenging the notification. At that relevant point of time, Lordship, the order was not supplied to me. Now, after we had approached this court, now we were served with the suspension order.
This order?
This is a notification, Lordship.
Okay.
After I've approached this court, then they served me a suspension order, which is at page 33. Now, this suspension order comes with the 6 charges that were framed against me. Those charges are at page 41, Lordship.
The translated copy?
Translated copy, Lordship.
Oh, translated correctly.
Lordship, it was filed before this court also, Lordship, in the previous round of litigation. Lordship, along with the suspension order, the charges are at page 41. These charges were framed by the executive committee. There are 6 charges against me.
41?
41, Lordship.
what kind of, who typed this copy?
Lordship, the original copy is at page 42.
Who translated this?
Lordship, this is served by us by the Executive Committee, District Council.
This type copy?
Lordship, 42 is the original copy which was served.
English?
Lordship. 41 is our...
committee?
For 42 years, Lordship. 42 was served by us by the Executive Committee, Lordship, along with the suspension order.
This is given in English?
In English, Lordship. Quite to see the language, Lordship. Lordship, thereafter, since...
Once again, complain against to restore. Okay, yes.
Lordship, since I've been placed under suspension pending inquiry, I withdrew the writ petition and I faced the inquiry proceedings. The inquiry was conducted by the judicial magistrate of District Council, Lordship. Now, notice were issued to the complainants and the petitioner. Now, the complainant is the respondent 5 in this writ petition, respondent 5. Lordship, then we appeared before the inquiry officer. Then I filed my show cause at page 8 before the inquiry officer.
At page 8?
At page 8 is my show cause. Or annexure 8, sorry, Lordship, page 45. This is my show cause to the charges framed against me.
Yes.
Then the proceedings went ahead, Your Lordship. However, during the course of proceedings, Your Lordship, the complainant, they never contested the inquiry proceedings. Thereafter, Lordship, after my show cause, Lordship, I filed my list of witness and I also filed my depositions before the inquiry officer.
Yes.
Now, the inquiry officer, Lordship, had passed an inquiry report, and based on that inquiry report, Lordship, the finding I was reinstated.
Where's
by
the inquiry report?
Lordship, the inquiry report has not been supplied to me, but there's an order which is supplied to me, which is at page 57. Page 57, Lordship. This is the order passed by the Executive Committee, whereby I have been reinstated.
Who has been to the council? You haven't served them?
I've served them yesterday, Lordship.
Then if there's no appearance, how can you pass any effective orders?
Lordship, I've served them yesterday, Lordship.
Now the status already taken over.
No, Lordship. I've made a statement in my petition.
You were reinstated.
I was reinstated.
Now where are the charges in the present complaint?
Now, Lordship, they have filed a fresh complaint on...
Where's the fresh complaint?
Lordship, kindly come to page 63, Lordship. They never participated in the inquiry proceedings. They never challenged the inquiry report.
Fresh complaint.
No, Lordship, kindly look at the prayer, the subject. Demand to reinitiate the inquiry against Sri Wanprang so and so, Lordship. Against me.
Okay, yes.
Lordship, now they're saying that the charges were not supplied to them. That's why they're demanding to initiate the inquiry.
The reinitiation process.
Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship, at page 69 is another complaint filed by the complainant, the respondent 5. Lordship, I may be allowed to read this representation.
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited above, here the undersigned would like to bring into your notice that we, the link door of 6 Rat, along with all the Longsor Mansan functioning under the Sardar Ilaka Nompo.
There's no type copy of this one?
No, Lordship.
Why? Yes.
Lordship, if I could read. The Longsor Mansan functioning under the Sardar Ilaka Nompo, we all are against the reappointment of Sri Wanprang, as we don't trust him and his leadership anymore. The Sardar Ilaka Nompo, as during the time of his Sardarship, he has committed act of misconduct, wrongful act against different Raj and public on multiple occasions. Sri Wanprang seems to has abused his power being Sardar during his tenure. Lordship, now they're trying to re-agitate the same issue.
How is the Sardar Nompo elected? What is the procedure?
Lordship, there are by-election, Lordship. By-election.
Who are the electors?
The Sardars, Lordship.
These Sardars made complaints only.
Not all of them.
Electoral
Not all.
college?
Not all, Lordship.
Is it electoral
By the
college
Lingdos.
or How many people, how many Sardars get together to elect
Lordship,
them? Where's the procedure?
Lordship,
It was a matter of no confidence of all Sardars then.
Lordship, but kindly see the charges.
No, I'm just asking, this is a general question.
Lordship, kindly come to my to page 52, Lordship, of the repetition.
How is he elected?
By election, Lordship, among the Lingdos and eminentaries.
How many Lingdos are there?
Lordship, kindly come to page 53, Lordship. The second paragraph, Lordship.
And how many of these people made complaints? There's 7.
The total Raj is 7 Raj, Lordship.
Yes.
Only two of them, Lordship. And now those two Lingdos.
Now the present complaint is by how many Lingdos?
Raj Nongpo and Raj Nongkharai, Lordship.
2 of them have made complaint.
2 of them. And the
Which one made
secretaries.
the complaint?
Lordship. They are the same complainant which they had filed, Lordship, in the earlier occasion.
No, I don't understand. Now who is complained by, who signed the complaint?
Now the complaint is filed by the Sanjuk Kinong Sanchar Nong, Lordship. They are a body of these Lingdo, Lordship, and secretaries.
Who are the signatories?
Lordship,
They
kindly,
appear- means like
page 68, Lordship. Page 68.
just trying to this
Lordship,
is
Lingdo Raj, Nong Lingdo,
Okay.
Raj Nong Lingdo, Raj Nong Kharai,
Right, Nong Lindo, right, Nong Kra, then
Nong Kharai, then Sok Khwai,
So Khwai also, then
Raj Nong Kerla, Raj Nong Po.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
All of
6.
them have reactivated the complaint against you, that means.
Lordship, but the fact is that,
Whatever it is,
Lordship.
or they have reactivated the complaint.
but these are not fresh complaints, Lordship.
We understand that.
And
I'm
they are
just
no
saying
fresh
that
complaints.
the whole right again is signed.
Lordship, it's.
Okay.
But at this stage, Lordship, I'm praying for an interim.
Mr. Hemant Nongpuna, counsel with the petitioner. It is submitted that notice has been served upon the official respondents, that is respondents 1 to 4. You served?
I've served them, Lordship,
Where's
yesterday.
the factum of service?
Lordship, we have enclosed the notice, Lordship. It's
In the-
enclosed
in
in
the-
the repetition.
In the, okay. Papa Nam Shukata. Tom, no? Heard, sir? Because the petitioner become, it is noted that notice of the petition has been served upon the respondent number, secretary's respondent number?
Secretary is 1, Lordship.
Yes, law number 1 on 5/11/2024. But there's no representation on behalf of official respondents. That is 1 to 4. Stop. Next paragraph. The grievance of the writ petitioner is that the grievance of the petitioner was stated to be the Sardar of what is his official designation?
Sardar, Lordship.
They say Nongpo Sardarship, right?
Nongpo Sardarship.
The grievance of the writ petitioner was stated to be the Sardar of Nongpo Sardarship is with the order dated. Where's that order?
Lordship, impugn notification is
The impugned order dated
79.
3rd December.
3rd December, Lordship.
3/12/2024, whereby he has been placed under suspension by the respondents, by the respondents 1 to 4. Stop. It is submitted that the suspension of the writ petitioner is consequent upon a complaint that had been made by the respondent number 5 before the executive committee, before the respondent number 1, with regard to certain allegations and charges have been made. Stop. The legal counsel submits that on the same charges, that the present complaint is based in the year
2023.
in the 2023, the matter had been gone into by the official respondents, and the petitioner at that point of time was also put under suspension, but however was reinstated on
On 4th March 2024.
4/3/2024. There submits that on the same charges it is impermissible that the petitioner be put under suspension again. Therefore, prays that in the interim, that some interim should be given and he be allowed to continue to function as the Sardar of Lordship. Next part, though the official respondents are not present in court today, a perusal of materials as presented substantiates the submissions made by the learned counsel that on the basis of earlier proceedings that had been instituted, the petitioner had been put under suspension, which thereafter, on conclusion of the proceeding thereof, was reinstated. Where's the order of reinstatement?
Statement, page 43, Lordship.
Date?
Sorry, Lordship.
Was reinstated. Right, order dated. 43 is the order of withdrawal.
Sorry, page 57. Page 57. 57.
Was reinstated by order dated 4th March 2024 by the full executive committee. Stop. A perusal of the, where that seeking to reinitiate, a perusal of the
page 63, Lordship.
63, that's done since March 2024.
Lordship.
A perusal of a petition dated 13 March 2024 by the respondent number 5 shows that the demand made therein for reinitiation of the inquiry against the petitioner on the ground that there were procedural irregularities. And this court, in consideration thereof, this court, consideration of the facts as presented presently, where's the other after that reinitiation, the other that you showed?
It's 69.
This court, huh?
Another representation is
63 and 65 the same.
Yes, Lordship.
The other one which was very faint, 69. Yes.
Lordship, 63 is the first representation. 67 is the reminder.
And before that, I'm going to paragraph away. Huh? Was on the ground of procedural irregularities. Yes. Further, another letter dated 22/5/2024, it appears has also been filed before the official respondents against the reappointment of the writ petitioner as Sardar of Ileka Nongpo. Stop. In the considered view of this court, at this stage itself, what is reflected is that the complaint of the respondent number 5 was directed against the irregularity committed in the earlier proceeding and is not based on any fresh charges for which the petitioner has to answer. Further, the answer. As such, a prima facie case has been made out for interim orders at this stage. and accordingly, the impugned order dated 4th March 2024, oh sorry, order dated
3rd December.
3rd December 3/12/20, impugned order dated 3/5 or 3/3 3/12/2024 shall not be given effect to, and the petitioner be allowed to function as the Sardar of Nagpur Sardar presently. Stop. Next paragraph. As this order has been passed in the absence of the respondents, official and private, they are at liberty to file appropriate applications for vacation, alteration, if deemed necessary. Lists after winter vacations, yes.
Hello, Blanche.
Item number 6.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Lordship, kindly see the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, my Lord, in this matter.
Yes.
The order is before your Lordship, and kindly see paragraph 5, my Lord, of the order.
Yes.
The council submits that when both victims and accused are local tribals, the district council court is competent to try the offences punishable with death, life imprisonment, and punishment over 5 years. This was indicated in Meghalaya's government's notice dated 10/8/2011, my Lord, 10/8/2021, issued in exercise of power conferred under Rule 9 of Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council Rules, 1953, my Lord. 1953 rules, your Lordship is aware that it is dealing with paragraph 4, my Lord. If your Lordship
Yes, Mr. Arvind Chandra, whatever it is, see, it is, this court is in the process of reaching the judgment, at least before by this week or by next week. But in view of the order of the Supreme Court, I think it will not be wise. Let's wait for 6 weeks.
My Lord.
Whatever be the outcome.
Yes.
Well, as
Yes,
as the court expressed last hearing, was that we are born with out of division bench. So the outcome was actually, already known. It's up to the state now what submissions you make for the Supreme Court. If if there's a contra view taken.
Right.
Whatever submissions you made just now is not being made before this court anymore. It's being made there. Yes. Yes, sir. Just take down.
Only also one submission. One thing is that the commercial judgment is. Commercial judgment is there was no notification under CRPC, my Lord, when commercial judgment was rendered.
That argument you have to make for the Supreme Court.
Yes. There was a notification.
Were you heard when it was passed? No, you were not heard. So at least next date you will be there.
Yes, he can try. He can try before the Honorable People's Court.
These matters have been listed today in view of the order passed by the Supreme Court dated. This is dated
2nd December.
2/12/2024 in SLP so and so, which is directly connected to the matters pending judgment in question. Next, as such, in view of these developments, the matters are released from CAV and to be listed on the opening.
Lordship may have it,
to wait for the developments.
I think after because there will be winter vacation, my Lord, and the matter may not get returnable within in month of January. So your Lordship may have it in second week of February.
Second week of February. Just as well, the judgment was not released.
Yes.
Followed commercial. No asking what in meantime. The hands are tied. What meantime you asking? What prayer making, Mr. Pare? Just for the sake of making a prayer, make a prayer. Then? Yes. Yes.
Madam. 13, yes.
13.
Madam, I would like to place this document.
Yes. Where's Mr. Day?
He's coming, Your Honor.
My lord, the direction of this honourable court, my lord, the impugn order was to constitute a DPC within 3 months.
Yes.
My lord, I accept that the DPC was not conducted, but the reason was that there were some objections which has to be clarified. So subsequently, my lord, the first document which I have placed before Lordship, we have passed an order stating that the DPC will be conducted on the 28th of November 2024.
Yes.
And the second document, my lord, the DPC was conducted, and then, my lord, Lordship may have the bottom, my lord, the back side. My lord, at the beginning, your Lordship will have the beginning here, the issues with regard to UDAs to superintendent, my lord, promotion. So, my lord, will have the second page of the document. Here, my lord, a recommendation for promotion, my lord, page number 2. Serial number 2, my lord, yes. So, my lord, will have, after reviewing the ACRs and documents of UDAs at serial number 1 to 3, namely, my lord, these Hajong, Miss Srimati Hajong Pingrop, and they have been given promotion, my lord.
Only thing is this, my lord, for DPC. No, my lord. Let me just submit, my lord. My lord may not acknowledge my submission, but what I have been instructed for serial number 3, my lord, petitioner, there was no DPC till now, my lord.
Which number 3?
Petitioner number 3, my lord.
My lord, to that I may reply, my lord. There, in page number 19 of the petition, Lordship may have page 19 of the petition, my lord. My lord will see that 5 names have been recommended for the promotion to UDA to superintendent. There are only 3 vacant seats as per the DPC minutes, Lordship. So 1, 2, and 3 who are the senior in their list have been given the consideration. So it cannot be correct, my lord.
That is instruction. The instruction may be submitted, recorded.
Her name has gone, my lord, but she is the number 4.
Yes, it appears from MS Arconis today has produced certain letters indicating the fact that the DPC has since been held, and the respondents 1 and 2 have also been 1 and 2, correct?
My lord, 1 and 2 before Lordship, my lord, yes.
Is recommended for promotion. With regard to respondent number 3, the petition number is submitted as the same will be considered as in accordance with the vacancy position. Stop in view of this fact that there is no violation of court's order and matter stands closed.
14.
I have taken instruction, my lord. Kindly see the advertisement, my lord.
The
advertisement
at page 15.
Advertisement, my lord.
Yes.
Advertisement, my lord, is dated 19 July 2024. Director of Health, Meghalaya Shillong, invites online application from the candidates who are domiciled in the state of Meghalaya. Recruitment to the following post on contractual basis to be engaged in the first referral unit and critical care unit for a period of 1 year initially and to be extended based on performance and need. Candidates have to be applied online, and application received through any other mode will not be accepted and will be summarily rejected. My lord, kindly mark the line that engaged on from domicile in the state of Meghalaya. So eligibility is domicile in the state of Meghalaya, my lord. And now kindly come to paragraph 13, which has been relied by
paragraph 13
petitioner.
Yes.
Paragraph page yes, point 13.
Yes.
The post of the district above will be filled from the candidates belonging to particular district as declared by the application form. In case there are no eligible candidates from particular district, then the vacant post of the district will be filled by candidates among the general merit irrespective of permanent residence and address. So this, my lord, this clause requires, my lord, that those who are eligible and qualified and in merit list, if they are from a particular district, they will be given admission of that district, my lord. Yes. Kindly see, and then his lordship kindly see, he is not admittedly qualified, ineligible, because only 21 posts are there, which your lordship will find at page 31.
Page 31.
Page 31.
Yes.
Page 31.
21 posts only.
And 21 posts only. So he's at 30, my lord.
Yes.
And out of 21, if somebody is from West Garo Hills, my lord, then he will get appointment in West Garo Hills. Now he is trying to steal march over meritorious candidates who are 21, my lord, on in my submission, humble submission, my lord, on wrong reading of the provision, my lord. If he would have been,
my lord, yes, my lord.
I'll
My lord, my only submission to this, my lord, this counter submission, my lord. In West Garo Hills, there is why breakup of the post, my lord. Why not in the entire state there is 21 seats, my lord?
If I may reply to that, Lordship, with regard to the breakup, it was just to show that these are the number of
No,
seats
no,
in
no.
this
Why in the
particular
advertisement in
Yes,
page 15, my lord?
That
And my lord, the one candidate from the select list, she is appointed at Fulbari CHC. She is from Southwest Garo Hills.
Submits that the selection has been as per the advertisement. Staff is requested to place the same by way of affidavit. This certifications, yes. Nothing can be undone.
My lord is correct, my lord. But only with regard to the forms and.
We thought it was a glaring illegality. But
Yes, my lord. If the district-wise selection would have, my lord, that is the only case, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Sen.
DG is appearing.
Yes, Mr. Amit Kumar. What's the matter about? This is for
land acquisition, Madam Lord.
What happened? He just disappeared.
Please check.
I said Mr. Amit Kumar and not certain Mr. V. Kumar has come now. Taken a cue. Yes.
This is the land acquisition, Madam Lord. There was a delay.
Of?
Actually, we are taking recourse to section 12 of the Limitation Act because we had applied for a certified copy, which took some time to obtain.
How many
because
days?
The records had been sent for digitization to the River District, Lord.
How many days?
Just give me a minute. Actually, the entire file is with.
52 days. We'll condone it.
Lord,
you have no objection to Dubey.
Lord, it can't be condoned, Lord, because
why? Lord, because of the statutory provisions.
Yes, because the limitation has been fixed, Lord. That the period of limitation under 74 is 60 days, and there is only a further period of 60 days has been provided, Lord. And they
in this case, now the thing is that now at what stage was it's against an award?
Yes,
Yes, Lord.
I mean, it's answered. Yes.
In fact, Lord, there are two orders that has been appealed against. Lord, they also should clarify against which order they are coming before your Lordship.
No, that is permissible. I'll just explain. What's happened? Originally, there was one order. That order was sought to be reviewed. Now, their question is, how can we challenge both these orders? That's the issue.
Yes, Mr. Advocate General.
Your Lordship, the file has been assigned to me recently, my Lord. Your Lordship may have it immediately after vacation. I'll go through that, and then we will deal with the
Whose
objection.
submission should I take, yours or his?
I'm in a fix, Lord.
Ask me to look into the matter.
Only, Lord, can it be taken just before the vacation, Lord? My Lord, your Lordship would see that notification of land acquisition is from 2001. Lord, 7 acres of land at Stretch has been acquired, my Lord, and there has been litigation going on for years. My Lord, and what we have been provided as compensation is only 200 rupees per square feet, my Lord.
That's the rates of
the land is of the government only, my Lord. I have seen to the extent, my Lord,
See, the
land
thing is that
of the
if I can ascribe, but not personal knowledge, this matter has been long pending matter.
Yes,
and there was a philanthropist or benefactor who gave this land into the post of Assam. That was undivided at that time. So how he never gave it to any of his beneficiaries who came later in the picture. It's due to some, anyway, that's okay. But then you have mutation orders.
Yes.
But the thing is that this matter needs quick disposal
Yeah,
because
yeah,
the land in question also has become a, it's become a
Yes,
subject
Lord.
of.
That's become a different controversy.
Different controversy. That's why. So when can we take it? Before vacations? Or after?
After vacation, my Lord, in first week of February, my Lord.
At the Land Advocate General submits that he's just been briefed with the matter. He briefs matter with this. Yes, after vacation.
Obliged.
Lord, can I make one prayer, Lord?
Yes.
Lord, item 23 has also been fixed after vacation. Can both the cases be put on the same day?
That you request the courtmaster.
I'm making a prayer before your Lordship.
Item number 2.
You want to kill two birds with one stone?
Lord, I'm trying, Lord, if I can come before your Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, we have already taken step for the private defendants, respondents, your Lordship. Lordship, waiting for the status report, your Lordship.
1 and 4, and 4 to 8. Officer indicates that AD cards not been received. respect to respondents 1 and 4, 1 and 4 to 8. Yes, the list after vacations to its service report.
Item number 3.
During appearance. My Lord, 1 and 2, I represent the officials. So I filed the affidavit. Lordship, direction to the state, particularly with regard to the transfer application, that cannot be considered because it's a deficit school, my Lord. They are not entitled. It should be a government school. And so far as the inquiry, my Lord, the direction was to the
What's the order
SMC.
still be?
Lordship, here what has happened, the petitioner was suspended without any...
No, where's the order?
Page 8, Lordship.
Let's see the order.
Lordship, the operation part would be page 15.
Yes.
Page 15, para 16.
16 and 17, if I'm not mistaken. When are you holding the inquiry? Huh?
Actually, just instructed yesterday.
If you can see that, that will shorten the case.
No, this is just a request for transfer.
They have responded now, Lordship.
We have responded, my Lord. The disposal application is there, my Lord.
Lordship, there are two directions to this. Two directions, Lordship.
What's the first direction?
First is to, against the managing committee to conduct an inquiry.
They're not doing that.
They're not done that, Lordship.
I'm just entering the appearance today, my Lord.
Okay,
I will file the...
MS
My Lord, we have also intimated them, my Lord, twice.
Yes,
to hold the inquiry, my Lord.
Mr. P. Dokrud, representing the House number 2, pre-response allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Just thereafter.
The petitioner has also not received back wages, Lordship.
That's you instate an inquiry, do whatever you have to do before the thing is.
Item number 4.
Why so many contempt matters?
My Lord, we have taken steps on the respondents, my Lord.
Entering appearance?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, arguing on all the respondents 1 and 2.
Yeah, 1 and 2.
As well today, and praise allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
My Lord, this matter may can be listed with along with other matters, my Lord.
Which other matters?
My Lord, contempt 80 of
That you make the prayer at that time.
My Lord. Similar matter, my Lord, the nectar matter.
Next one?
No, my Lord, it is listed on 31st of January, my Lord.
Oh, list on 31st of January, yes.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will be filing during the course of the day, Your Lordship.
Yes, this is the matter for hearing usual course. As MSA Khatir submits that the joint will be filed in the course of the day.
Much obliged.
Item number 6.
We have received the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4 to 7, my Lord. So I'm praying for some time to file the rejoinder, my Lord, for all the respondents.
What rejoinder?
To the affidavit,
What's the
my Lord.
matter about?
My Lord, this is the land acquisition matter, my Lord. So we have challenged the order passed by the DC, my Lord.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
When do you file affidavit?
On 29th of
29th
November,
of-
Lordship.
29th of?
November.
Yes, MS Ardata submits that they've just received the affidavit position filed on behalf of respondents.
4, 6, and 7.
4, 6, and 7.
Yes, Lordship.
She pays for allowed 2 weeks time to file the joinder.
My Lord, the interim order may kindly be continued.
Yes.
Interim order may kindly be
Interim order to continue. Selected.
7.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. I'm filing the rejoinder during the course of the day. I prepared actually just need to file it, Your Lordship. Maybe.
So what happens?
Actually, they said that on the last occasion that pension has been stored, but as per the affidavit 5, the state responded, no pension has been released to anybody, neither to me nor to the private respondent, because he has taken a voluntary retire on 5 May 2017.
What is the
After
case
2
about?
days. This is a case about Lordship for pension. For pension,
Second
like
wife.
second. I'm the
You
second
appeal
wife.
number 4.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I am the first wife, Your Lordship.
Pensions have been released to anybody as yet?
Lordship,
Lordship,
not
I
yet, not
respectfully
yet.
submit
Have
that
not
my
released.
name has
Please
been...
speak one at a time, yes.
They have not released to anybody because you kindly see the affidavit filed with the.
No, I'm not going to see.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Yes.
They have not released.
Okay. Yes, what do you have to say?
Your Lordship, in the service book, my name was entered as a nominee, Your Lordship.
during his service, Your Lordship. And since the
When did he retire, the deceased employee?
No, he taken a voluntary retired on 7/5/2024, voluntary retired. And after 2 days from that voluntary retired, he died. Only after 2 days from the taken voluntary retired.
What about state? You file affidavit?
Yes,
They have filed an affidavit.
What's your stand?
Lordship, it had fallen from my lords as to what is the stance of the Supreme Court. I have judgments with me. Lordship, such a union, when during the existence of the first marriage, is void, but the children are legitimate.
No, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, respectfully submit that what she is submitting is totally different to what she has stated in her affidavit, Your Lordship. I may read her affidavit also, Your Lordship.
I will file the rejoinder, Lordship. Let it come for him, because today only I am filing,
Your
Lordship.
Lordship, I'm suffering, Your Lordship. I'm facing hardship since my pension has been
next
halted,
week,
Your
any
Lordship.
time on the Wednesday. I will file today.
File rejoinder, we'll have it on Wednesday.
Today only I will file, Lordship.
Okay, we'll have it Tuesday.
Wednesday, my lord, because
Not
Tuesday I have
Wednesday.
some other difficulties, Lordship.
Why?
Wednesday, Lord.
What's the problem Tuesday?
Because I'm going out of, I'll be out of station maybe. I'm going to because, Lordship. Much less, Lordship.
On 11th.
Lordship. And then I'm telling about
Court
Your
order.
Lordship. It's, here I need to find a small rejoinder to this affidavit filed by the state respondent.
As per 3 weeks' time allowed to the petitioner file rejoinder after the file state respondent.
Item number 8. 9, sorry. Item number 9.
Here the 9, the private respondent have not filed the affidavit. GHDC, they have filed it.
Who's for 9?
Mr. Sheikh on the last
Number 4.
Yes.
I may bring for respondent number 4. I have 20 weeks time to file the vigilance.
It's a fresh matter. Yes, Mr. Response allowed. R4 response allowed. Further, how much time?
2 weeks.
We have elevated. Yes, this thereafter.
10.
Much less, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, need Your Lordship's indulgence for some more time to file my affidavit. We haven't received
It's the
instructions.
fourth occasion, my lord.
No,
This is
will be
regarding
the third, I think.
This is the fourth occasion, my lord.
Just after vacation, enable the
After vacation.
response file affidavit. What about response number 5? Served?
Yes, my lord.
You've served.
Served. It's recorded in the order dated, my
Pledge,
lord.
Your Lordship.
11.
Yeah.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, we're still awaiting instructions in this matter, Your Lordship.
When you file affidavit?
Yes,
3 weeks' time.
This is, my lord, so second round of litigation with the last leg posting, my lord. And
When?
petitioner will be retired from service
We
on in
listed
the month
before,
of...
we listed on 16th. Will come with instructions.
My lord.
Okay, Lordship.
My lord, my lord.
As
Detailed,
it is
lordship.
submitted, that's the last leg of posting. As well as let the respondents come for the instructions. This stop list on 16 December.
Much obliged, Lordship.
My lord, much obliged.
12.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, as per the instructions that we've received, Your Lordship, as per the service book of the petitioner's late husband, he has nominated one Uma Kulsum as his...
One
Uma Kulsum Begum, who is not a party, Your Lordship.
You are aware who that lady is?
I'm not aware, Lordship.
You are Nurma Begum. Is it not the same person?
No, Your Lordship.
Nurma Kulsum.
Uma Kulsum Begum. Must be his first wife, Your Lordship. Not sure.
This is your second wife.
I am first wife, Lordship.
There has to be one first and second. Can't be both first wives. Where's Mr. Sheikh?
He's out of station, Lordship.
Yes, MS Ailangwa submits instructions that the nominee for the terminal benefits of the deceased employee, namely late Anwar Islam, is one. What's her name?
Uma, U-M-M-A, Kulsum Begum.
U-M-M-A, Kulsum.
Kulsum Begum.
Kulsum Begum. Stop, who is not a party to present proceedings. Next one, let the council petitioner to get correct information. List after occasion.
Obliged, Lordship.
Hearing 14.
This was a pension matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your
What happened last time?
It was part heard, Your Lordship,
Why was it part heard?
because Your Lordship was taken in the second half.
Was
Lordship,
taken?
here this matter, Your Lordship. Here I am the wife of this one late Om Kumar Lama, Your Lordship. Upon his death, I
What is it pronounced?
approached
Yam.
Yam Kumari.
Yam Kumar.
I approached the office of the respondent for claim of pension, Your Lordship.
You're working where? You're a police.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lordship, if I may take Your Lordship to page
No, no, Sunny. If I heard
page
it,
23, Your Lordship.
Are you sure it was heard?
Yes, Your Lordship, 3 occasions, in fact. It's that
How
Nepal
come
thing.
there's not even one line of... Usually I make notes when I hear a matter.
Last time you said that you are going for a compromise to
Yes, for settlement also it was, but then we could not arrive at a settlement. They never came forward.
was suggested for a compromise formula, Your Lordship.
Compromise formula?
Yes.
Your Lordship had suggested that we come to a settlement, talk between the parties, but then they never came forward for
You are the
talks.
first wife.
The first wife has expired, Your Lordship. I'm the second
First,
wife.
you're the second wife. And Mr. Datta is?
Me, for the
The
first
daughter.
yes,
Daughter.
Your Lordship.
Daughter from the first wife.
Daughter and son also, Your Lordship.
Son is not eligible, Your Lordship, because he's already attained majority.
Okay, you're for the second wife.
Second wife.
That is this petitioner. Yes, petitioner. And you're for the children.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes, start.
Yes, Your Lordship. If I may take Your Lordship directly to page 23 of the petition.
Page.
Page 23, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, third paragraph, Your Lordship. After the death of late Om Kumar Lama, Mrs. Yam Kumari Tamang personally appeared before this office and submitted his death certificate along with the birth certificates of his 3 children, namely Rachit Lama, Miss Ruchika Lama and Aryan Lama. Now, Mr. Rachit Lama is the one who's a major. Now, Miss Ruchika is the private respondent, and this Aryan is my son, Your Lordship.
So, Miss Ruchika Lama is from the first wife.
Yes, from the first wife.
Okay,
She's
yes.
unmarried.
Okay.
Now, Your Lordship, after we approached the office had sought for legal opinion, Your Lordship, as to entitlement, because since there are 2 claims now, one is from the daughter and one is from me. Your Lordship, that is at page 38, where they have sought for the legal opinion as to entitlement.
Yes.
Next page is the legal opinion. Relevant portion conclusion would be at page 44. We got a copy.
Page
44, Your Lordship.
44, yes.
Yes. Your Lordship, here it's clearly mentioned that both of us are eligible, and as per the rules of the Central Civil Service, Your Lordship, 50-50% share, to the extent of 50-50% share. Now, Your Lordship, the only thing that we came before this High Court, Your Lordship, before this Honourable Court, is because they asked us for submission of succession certificate, when it is a settled law that for claim of family pension, succession certificate is not required, because it's neither a debt or security.
Yes.
So that was our only...
That's the only thing here.
Yes, before.
Then why
After
is
they
it 50-50?
entered
You are
appearance.
resisting.
Your Lordship, may it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, that the claimant, the petitioner here, she is not the wife. Even the child also is not a child of the same person, Your Lordship. And the marriage certificate they have enclosed along with the petition, Your Lordship, all fake, Your Lordship.
No, have you filed criminal case then?
Your Lordship, then again they have to go to civil court,
No,
Your
one
Lordship.
One thing, Mr. Datta.
Mr. Kumar, Your Lordship.
Mr. Kumar, sorry. You will do that. The thing is like this, Mr. Kumar. Now, your second wife, was the marriage contracted after the death of the
After.
first wife?
That is the
Your
dispute
Lordship,
that she's
Your
there.
Lordship, here there are 2 marriage certificate and 2 death certificate is there, Your Lordship. Two marriage certificates. First, the marriage certificate is of 2006. Second marriage certificate, it came in 2012. My mother, Your Lordship, the first wife died in 2011, Your Lordship. And the marriage also, all the marriage certificate and birth certificate has been...
say that the first marriage certificate with the...
Yes, Your Lordship.
2006.
2006, Your Lordship. Second marriage certificate is 2012, Your Lordship. And the first wife died in 2011, Your Lordship.
That means he had deserted you during your lifetime and contracted in the marriage.
No, Your Lordship. We are staying together, Your Lordship. If 2006 if you have deserted, Your Lordship, then the second daughter, she born in 2008, Your Lordship. And that on the service record, everything is there, Your Lordship. I have annexed along with my affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship. And the secondly, Your Lordship, all the marriage, death, everything has been brought from Nepal, not from India, Your Lordship. Even the first wife died here in Shillong. She was admitted in Nazareth Hospital. She was died in 2011, but her death certificate also has been brought from Nepal, Your Lordship.
By whom?
By the petitioner here, Lordship.
Not the daughters with whom? Staying with whom? The one you are representing.
Daughter and son, they are staying with her auntie, Your Lordship.
Where, Nepal and India?
No, here in India, Your Lordship. In Jhalukar.
Where's this petitioner?
Petitioner is staying in Nepal, Your Lordship.
She was residing here, Your Lordship, but now because she has no employment here, she's just staying at home, so she had to return back to Nepal.
Let's see affidavit. You made the statements.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, first let's see the marriage certificate. So you say that they were not married at all. Where's the marriage certificate?
Page 20, Your Lordship. Of the writ petition.
It's in the vernacular script. Oh no, it's here in English. 2012, yes. Is by a... Yes. And the first one, where is it? In the affidavit?
First one, there is no marriage certificate, Your Lordship, but her name is there in the kinder or in the documents, Your Lordship.
No. You're saying she produced two marriage certificates. Where's the other one?
The other one is page 25 of the affidavit filed by them.
And number 4.
In my affidavit, Your Lordship.
1 second. Page?
25.
Page 20, Annex 7?
Annex 7, yes, Lordship. Here,
where is written the name of this petitioner?
on Yam Kumari Tamang, Your Lordship, on the top only it's written, Your Lordship.
Yam, yes. Om Kumar, by?
Yes, sir. Yam Kumari Tamang. And the last line, Your Lordship, the date of marriage is showing here, 4/12/2006.
Where is that?
In the last line, Your Lordship. Last line.
Oh, yes.
2006/12/4. And the letter, Your Lordship, again they have brought another new marriage certificate, Your Lordship. And there, the page number 27, page number 27, Annex 8, Your Lordship. It's written in Hindi.
Seen just now.
It's written in Hindi there also, Your Lordship.
No, this next page is there. Yes, no, we've seen that just now. Where's the death certificate of? But then you acknowledge that she is the first wife.
Yes, I acknowledge.
Where's your death certificate?
My death certificate, Your Lordship, in affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship, page number 17. Page number 17, Annex 3, Your Lordship.
Your name, your Suku Lama.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He suffered from burns.
Yes, Your
There was no
Lordship.
post-mortem report.
No, there is no, because she was in hospital and thereafter she was discharged from the hospital and she was taken home, Your Lordship. On 5th 2011 she was discharged and thereafter on 11/2/2011 she succumbed to the injuries at home.
Okay. See, the first one seems to be this other, it bears no seal or anything, the first marriage certificate. Whereas the second one, it has. But the strange thing is this MSCB survey and is that registration number is the same.
Date of issue is same, Your Lordship.
Date of issue?
Yes, Your Lordship. Down 2074-2-31. That first marriage also, Your Lordship. Date of issue is same, Your Lordship. 2074 down, Your Lordship, to 31.
2074 is a year?
Yes, Your Lordship. 2074 is the year.
No, this what is this?
They used to, in Nepal, they used to count that Bikram Sambat, Your Lordship. Bikram Sambat we used to call in Hindu.
Okay.
So they are calculating that.
So this is, and this date 2006 means what? It's become Sambat or is
No, no,
it's a Roman calendar?
No, no, this one is in our calendar they have given date, Your
Which
Lordship.
one?
This 206-12-4.
In the Roman calendar?
Yes, your Roman calendar, Your Lordship.
And the bureau is in the local calendar?
Local calendar, Your Lordship. And here
So
also in
Shirai, what do you do if this local calendar and Roman calendar given the same? Can we given the same?
Your Lordship, the Nepal calendar, it's 56.7 years ahead of the English calendar. So 2074 would be 2017.
How many years?
56.7 years ahead. It's counted from April.
How do you say that?
I just did some research, Your Lordship.
Is it correct?
That I don't know, Your Lordship.
Who's from community
Now
here?
it's 2081 in Nepal.
Who's from community here? None. Where's Mr. Ethapa? Is it correct? Where do you have any documents to show it?
I did not bring, Your Lordship, but I did my research, Your Lordship.
That's good. But then, see, it's very funny because, see, now see the second one is 2069. If it's 2069, then maybe it's 2012. There'll be around, yes, 818, 8.
2016.
So BS means?
Bikram Sambat, Your Lordship.
Bikram Sambat means 2012. Okay. You take 50-50 then.
Your Lordship, even my son also, Your Lordship, the son also is 21 years old. And he deserves the
Then you
pension,
let the
Your
daughter take it and share with the brother.
And, Your Lordship,
Let the daughter
first
take
of all,
it,
Your
share
Lordship,
with
I am saying that she is not the wife only, Your Lordship.
that we can't see their documents. Their documents that show you don't have any other documents otherwise except the kindred role, Suku Lama wife at
Yes.
that point of time. That's
Yes,
all.
Your Lordship.
And then the sons Rachit Lama, Ruchika Lama,
Yes, Your-
1003, 1008. So the marriage, only the marriage date is a bit dodgy. Which we
Even,
can't
even,
discern.
even, Your Lordship, the son also is not the son. Son is not belongs to us, Your Lordship.
You ask for DNA test.
No deal, Your Lordship, the Annexure 3, Your Lordship. Annexure 3 of the petition, Your Lordship. There the name of the mother is different, Your Lordship. There the name of the mother is different. They have page number 22 of the writ petition, Your Lordship. Annexure 3, Your Lordship.
Doma Lama.
Doma Lama.
What's her nickname?
Now here is a Yam Kumari Lama, Your Lordship. All the documents are false and fabricated,
Mr.
Lordship.
Kumar, one thing is that whatever it is, the father is the same one, right?
No, Lordship.
The
Even in the marriage certificate, Your Lordship. Now here we are.
Listen, in this birth certificate of this son also, Aryan Lama, isn't Om Kumar Lama the father?
but not the same person, Your Lordship.
He's a different Kumar Lama, I mean.
Yes, sir. Then the Doma Lama, who is the Doma Lama, then, Your Lordship? Here the petitioner is Om Kumar Lama. All the documents has been fabricated, Lordship.
Yes,
Even Your Lordship, the marriage certificate, birth certificate, whatever they have submitted, they have changed my name also, Your Lordship.
Then how did the petitioner come to contact with your deceased
I
or
even
with
have
your
their
father?
birth certificates. I was the one who submitted the birth certificates.
How, Your Lordship? Who, Your Lordship? She came, Your Lordship, when the first wife was born in juries, Your Lordship. She came as a maid servant, Your Lordship, and is staying there. I have pleaded in my affidavit in opposition also. And on the basis of all the false and fabricated documents, even she has changed the name of Om Kumar Lama in all the marriage certificate, birth certificate she has submitted. She has submitted Om Kumar Tamang, Your Lordship. I am not Tamang. Om Kumar Lama and Om Kumar Tamang is not the same person, Your Lordship. My all ancestor, all genealogical trees, Your Lordship, everyone is Om Kumar Lama.
Case cannot be concluded. So shall I? What do you propose? Then they'll have to go for suit then.
Lordship, so much controversy, contention, Your Lordship, a highly disputed question of fact, Lordship. Let the party be relegated to the competent court, Your Lordship. Will have to
You have to deal with this.
They never filed any FIR, nothing, Your Lordship. Now
Yes,
they are
Your
just
Lordship.
alleging because they
Because
hell bent to deprive me.
Where's the birth certificate of the other children?
I'm not sure if I've submitted.
But birth certificate I have not submitted, Your Lordship.
Where?
I have not submitted the birth certificate of the child here.
But is it here in the records
Must be
of these two
the other two children. It's in the
Yes.
office of the respondents I have submitted.
It's in the
Office of the respondent.
in a civil court.
Where is in your possession?
Right
Your
now.
own birth certificate you must be having. Produce it tomorrow. Not tomorrow. We'll finish this matter before the vacations.
After vacation.
Before vacations.
Before vacation, actually, I have to go out also, Your Lordship.
Come after vacation, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship.
Hearing means inconclusive. Just after vacations, Mr. Kumar produced the birth certificates of the claimants' children of the deceased employee.
Right.
Lordship, a small request, Your Lordship. I pray, Your Lordship, that if it may be taken before vacation, Your Lordship.
Difficult. Otherwise, you both will not get anything if this is the way. If the court can't decide
17.
first on a opening day. Since 22 you waited, so. Funny.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I humbly apologize for not being able to make a mention in the morning, Your Lordship. I pray for some accommodation in this matter, Your Lordship. I have
Monday?
already informed the parties also.
What's the matter about?
This is non-appointment of the petitioner, Your Lordship, in the vacant post, Your Lordship. It's a service matter, Your Lordship.
Service matter. Shillong College.
As a?
In
Shillong
Shillong
College.
Assistant Professor.
After vacation?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 9.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
19.
Much pleasure.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I have just been requested, Your Lordship, to seek for some accommodation on behalf of Mr. A.H. Kharwanlang, Your Lordship. He's on sanctioned leave, Your Lordship.
What's happened to that boy? He's not keeping well. How old is he?
Late 20s?
Is he married?
Not yet, Your Lordship.
No, but what is he suffering from?
I don't know, Your Lordship.
Because he's been more absent than. He's been more.
File this with Mr.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, whatever it is, I mean, I'm concerned. As it is, we need the assistance of lawyers and their health and things is very important. For young lawyers, especially, you can't not need health. Being in a legal profession is not a 100-meter race; it's a marathon. That is why you have to good health is the most important thing. Yes, at the request of MS Eiling on behalf of Karolang, this matter of the vacation.
22.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, this matter is pertaining to the managing committee. The managing committee expired on February 2nd, 2024, and still there's no managing committee in the school.
Who's looking after now?
No, nobody is looking after the school.
Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is on his legs on courtroom number 1, unfortunately.
Who's going to go, Mr. Jindal?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because I will rely the government affidavit only, because my case is just seeking the mandamus.
Please come.
My case is...
Can I just rise for 5 minutes? Just come back. We'll take up this matter. You ready with the matter, correct?
Yes, a small submission, my lord. Today, before the Honourable Division Bench, there was a similar matter, similar in the sense concerning a managing committee, that involves interpretation of those Assam educational rules, my lord. That matter will not, my submission is, will have a bearing on today's matter, because the same rules are involved. The same rules, say rule number 4 and 5, my lord. If Lordship would kindly hold Lordship's hand for a week.
No. Lordship, my submission, Lordship, very humble submission. There is no interpretation required. Nothing is required.
Come back, just 5 minutes.
Okay.
I think we'll take up this matter. Now today is Friday, right?
On 9th, Monday.
Yes, we'll take it on. Of course, rise now. Some very urgent matter is.
Let it come next week.
Next week, yes.
Monday.
Monday or Friday, whatever.
Published.